guys, welcome to my channel and video. Thank you so much for watching today. So today is my second edition video in regards to DIY Stress Your Shoes project. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars at the store to get some bling on your shoes. You can just do it at home. It's very easy. You need some patience, yes, but the results are just astonishing. So I've gotten so many compliments on my first pair. If you haven't watched the video, I'll link it down below. I've received a lot of love on it, a lot of comments, a lot of messages and questions, and I appreciate you guys so much. I just didn't know there would be such a great hype about it, so I decided to make a second video. This is actually my third pair. My second pair I didn't film because it took me a really long time to do. I just took so many breaks on it, and I was like, oh, I'll do it today, tomorrow, next week, next month. And then by the time I finished it, I just had it, laying in my closet. So the third pair I absolutely adore. I did not like the color. I'll explain further more in the video, but I hated the color in the beginning because that's not what I ordered. I received a different color than what I expected. But looking at it now, I love the color. It's so unique. So these are my third pairs and I absolutely love them. They have like a blue yellow tint, iridescent effect, and they're just like beautiful to me. I've already worn them maybe twice, so I'm very happy with them. I got a bag to strass as well. So this was the bag I chose as a set, and I strassed this side already. I'm not sure if I want to do the other side just yet. I have to think about it. But this is it so far, and this is the set together. So I'm very happy with the results. So of course, if you want to see how I created my third pair, then please keep watching. These are the packs that I ordered. I ordered about, I want to say 16,000. The problem with these is that I didn't actually order these colors. I ordered black with an iridescent effect of like a blue purple. And what I got here is completely different. I got green. As you can see, it's like green, blue. Not what I was looking for. They look okay. They're not like the most beautiful that I've ever seen, but I can work with them. You can't really see well. Here we go. But I'm hoping that the result will be nice. Here they are. I kind of laid them here like randomly. As you can see, the flat back of them is black. So that is true. But these are the shoes that I'll be working with. Again, these are the same shoes that I was working on the other ones that you guys loved. These are from China. I got them in Beijing like many years ago, and I was about to throw them away too. And I was like, yeah, let me just do something fun with them. And I'll be using the E6000 glue. I was using a white eyeliner that has like a tackiness to it that picks up the crystals very easily and onto the shoe after I applied the glue. So wish me luck. I hope it's gonna turn out nicely. I really do. Now if you guys want a quick reminder of the original shoes that I made, these are the original shoes. This is the matching bag that I made. I also made a video on it. You guys really loved the video on these shoes. You can watch those videos. They're all linked below. I'll link the video to this, which is more, in detail of how I made these and how I made this. And these are the second shoes that I made. Again, these are the same type of shoes that I got from China. I got 3 of them. They're all the same. So this is the second project I did with the matching bag. These look really nice too. Okay, so here I'm starting the project. I'm just laying the shoe, taking my white eyeliner, E6000, and I'll start around the shoe, just like that, to get an outline.
So since the shoe is black and the crystals are not, then there kicked my small OCD. So I got a blue greenish like sparkly glue and I applied it all over the shoe to change the base color. And then I applied the crystals on top. But for the remaining of the first heel, I applied the glue on top of the existing crystals and just, to cover any small gaps.